Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch IPS touchscreen special for Toyota Sequoia Tundra 2014 to 2017. Okay, here is the UI interface. This built-in DVD slots, this button, this IR, this microphone, these two SD card slots. Okay, you can choose a time, you can choose logo, you can check settings. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car header units. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You also can choose a Toyota logo. Okay. When you back the home, it will show the Toyota. Okay, you also can change the theme editor. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Let me choose the Belsee. Okay. Let's turn up this volume button. Okay. Let me check the settings. System. About motion, you can check model is PX5 octa-core. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Back to home. Okay, let me introduce the internet. New York. It supports Google Voice command. Okay, it will show the New York City automatically. Okay, let me try. London. Okay, it also displays the London city. Let me search our website, belsee.com. belsee.com. Okay, you can visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. Okay. Let me introduce navigation. It's built in Google Maps. New York. It supports Google Voice command. You also can search the New York. It will display New York City. Okay, you can touch control. Moscow. Okay, it also can display Moscow city automatically. You can touch control. Okay. Let me introduce music. There are two USB ports to USB. This USB driver, when you connect one USB cable, it will play music automatically. You can run music in background and navigation at the same time. Video disabled while driving for safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Open the setting, car setting, drive setting, turn on watch video. You can check it supports 4K Samsung 4K demo video. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. This Bluetooth. You can check pin number 40. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Turn on the Bluetooth from your phone. Okay. Click search button to get the device. Okay, to search the Galaxy S8 Plus, click pair button. It will show the pin number from your phone. Okay, put 40. Okay, it change the color and show Bluetooth icon. Okay, you can make phone call. You can run the music in background. Okay, music already run background. When you make phone call, the sound will be stopped. All sounds will be stopped when you make phone call. When you hang up, it play music again. Okay. This is streaming music from your phone. Please, you need to reconnect when you first time to use the Bluetooth. Okay, repair again. Okay. You can play music from your phone. Volume. The control from your phone. Volume control. Okay, that's all. Thank you.